In this video, I will show you how to create talking head viral shorts in OpusClip. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. First, you need to upload a talking head video. Make sure that your face is clear, the audio is great, and there are strong statements or teaching moments. Once your video has been processed, you want to go to all projects and open up your video. You want to reframe it for a short. So go to the reframe at the bottom of the video and select 9:16. Once your frame has been changed, you then want to edit the clip. When editing your video, you want to zoom into your face a little bit. You want to keep your eyes slightly in the top third. You can then also turn tracker on so you can put manual subject tracking. So I wanted to track my face. So now if I am moving, the video will stay on my face. You can then also cut and trim your video as needed. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.